All right, yeah, welcome back to this JAMB series. This 16 question, and see that this question is very simple. So the first thing you should do, since it says 0.00256 times 0.0064, right? You first of all multiply the numerator. That is 0.00256 times 0.0064. Now your calculator will give you 1.6384 times 10 raised to the power minus 5 over. Then you give the denominator, which is 0.025, right, times 0.08. Now it will give you, it is 200, what is it? 2 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. Now this is what it gives you. It's the power minus 3. Now the next thing you should do is this. You now apply the law of indices. You apply the law of indices. First of all, we say this, we divide these two. That's 1.6384 divided by 2. 1.6384 divided by 2. What will you have? We have 0.8192. 8192 times. Now this is where you apply the law of indices. This is 10 and this is 10, and then they are dividing themselves. The law of indices states that when two numbers are dividing themselves, right? When two numbers are the same number are dividing themselves, their power will be subtracted. Since they have power, their power will be subtracted. Are you with me? They are dividing, so it will be subtracted. Their power will be subtracted. You just pick one, and then their power subtract themselves. It's still the same thing. So you have 10 raised to the power of minus 5 minus, remember there is minus here, open a bracket, minus 3. If you make a mistake here, you get a wrong answer. So the next thing here is this. You have it's equal to 0.8192 times 10 raised to the power of minus 5. Minus times minus is plus, so you have plus 3. This is equal to 0.8192 times 10 raised to the power of what? Minus 5 plus 3. What will it give you? To give you minus 2. Right? Hope you are following. Minus 2 to give you minus 2. So now, here's what you're supposed to do. You can decide to leave your answer like this if this is what is being given in your option. For sometimes you may need to apply a little bit of. Sometimes you may look at the option, you may not see this. Now you need to use your brain. You need to use your brain. Now, standard form. In standard form, when you have something like this, 0.123, and you're asked to change this thing to standard form, just move this one time. Move this point from here to here. It will become 1.23 times 10 raised to the power of what? Because this point moved from left to the right hand side, it will be minus 1. But if it is here, if you have 2.3, then it says you change it to standard form. Just move this one time. Now it moves from right to your left. From right to your left, that means 1.23 times 10 raised to the power of 1. Just move one time. So these and these, they are not the same thing. They're not the same thing. So now, applying this to this, you just move this point here just once. Just move it once. That will be minus, right? It's the power of minus. So it will be 0.8192, right? Once you move it one time, if you move it one time, it will be minus 1, right? So 0.8192 times 10 is the power of minus 2. Because this moved just one time, going to be minus 1, which will be equal to 0. Sorry, which will be equal to, I made a mistake here. This is 8 point. If you move one time, that's 8.192. That is 10 raised to the power minus 2 minus 1. So this will be 8.192 times 10 raised to the power minus 2 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. This is the answer. Sometimes they may round it to 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place, or they may tell you, they may leave it like this. So depending on the answer that you find on the option, if it's 1 decimal place, this will be 8.1, 8.2. If it is 1 decimal place. Now, if it is 2 decimal place, what do you think the answer will be? Drop it on the comment section. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.